How to remove account on Windows 10. Hi everybody, welcome back to our channel. In this video I'll simply guide you through the process on how you can remove account on Windows 10, so make sure to watch the video till the very end. So if you'd like to remove your account on Windows 10, all you have to do is simply go ahead and first of all launch your startup menu and then simply open up settings. Once you open up settings, on the left hand side you can just go to accounts. Now I'm currently doing this on my Windows 11, but the process is same for Windows 10 as well. Once you come to accounts, on the right hand side, if you've added multiple accounts, you'll be able to find them. Otherwise, just scroll to email and account section here, and then you'll find the accounts you've added. Just select a specific account in this case, and then just click the remove option, and then just go ahead and click on the yes option, and the account will be removed. And you can repeat the process for any of the other accounts that you might want to remove over here as well. And this way you can remove an account on your Windows 10. Hope this video was very helpful to you guys, and if it did help you, make sure to leave a like and subscribe to our channel. If you have got any questions, then feel free to leave them down. Thank you for watching and see you in the next video.